Sorry?
You were being the face of Karan in real, on reel. So was this also one reason that you agreed to it? Usually ये पहली बार मेरे ख्याल से faces depict होंगे सब stars के.
नहीं, ये मेरे ख्याल से मैंने जैसे कहा कि वो मैंने सब चीज़ें सोची हैं. मैंने जैसे कहा कि this was my loyalty towards Jayanti Bai as a friend. So this is, and that ultimately everything professional came later, and that's what I've done in my life also a lot of times. Where for me, my friendship and loyalty is very, very important. And of course, as I said, then came the great epic Mahabharata, and then of course I saw, but basically it was my loyalty towards Jayanti Bai. And I knew that if Jayanti Bai is involved and then all the other people are involved in this project, it has to be, it has to have a certain kind of integrity, honesty, dedication. And he's not going to leave any stone unturned to make this one of the best animation films ever made in this country.
You also said that being loyal sometimes does not pay. Would you like to share something that a bitter experience?
No, I would.
Maybe in a good light.
Not now. I think we stick to the film where, to a certain extent, somewhere he has to give his life. So it happens sometimes. I think loyalty towards, and the greatest example is the mother. She's always loyal to her children, and I think. Good, bad, he's a thief, he's a murderer, whoever he is, she is completely dedicated and devoted and loyal to her children. That's the greatest example of loyalty, I think.
अच्छा अनिल जी, ये करण स्पेशल करण की ही डबिंग करने का कोई खास कारण या
कहीं ना कहीं it's a very it's a great character. It's very layered, very complex. And wonderful character. So जब मुझे कहा गया कि करण का करना है तो मैंने बोला कहा I said yeah, I would love to do it because I love playing such characters which have so many layers, and that's what I've done all my life. Yeah.
Amanji, how was it to handle these actors while dubbing? Did anyone throw tantrums? Though they are very iconic actors, they will never do so.
अभी दिया भी तो थोड़ी बोलेंगे. हाँ, अभी तो तारीफ ही करेंगे हमारी.
अमन जी, आपसे कुछ
नहीं, क्या फायदा, क्या ये पूछना नहीं चाहिए आप. ये तो पॉजिटिव ही बोलेंगे. सही बात है कि नहीं सही? नहीं
let him speak.
नहीं, I'll be eternally grateful. Any director, it's probably a dream come true, और शायद ही किसी का ड्रीम में सोचे इतने सारे दिग्गजों के साथ एक साथ काम करें. और हर एक ने, we are eternally grateful to you, sir, and everyone else involved in this project who gave everything to it. They did not distinguish it from a normal live action feature film. They didn't think it's just an animation film. I just, walk in, dub and go away. So as an example of his enthusiasm, childlike enthusiasm, he just stuck to it and gave us 150%. So I'm eternally grateful.
Hello, Anil ji. आपने आपने जैकी जी के साथ काफ़ी फिल्मों में काम किया, इस फिल्म में भी किया, लेकिन इस बार कितना अलग एक्सपीरियंस आपका रहा?
नहीं, इस बार हम लोगों का काम साथ में नहीं था, सब हम लोग डबिंग थिएटर में अंधेरे में किया. अंधेरे में जैकी साहब नजर नहीं आ रहे थे मुझे, मैं अकेला